In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use index match function in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and create a simple worksheet that will demonstrate how index match can look up information based on an ID. You will build a small table first. Then you will connect it to a dynamic lookup result. Now type the headers into the sheet. In cell A1, type employee ID. In cell B1, type department. In cell C1, type salary. These three cells set up the meaning of each column, so later when you look at the results, it is clear what each value represents. After you add those headers, move over to create the lookup area. In cell D1, type lookup ID. In cell E1, type resulting department. This part is where you will enter the ID you want to search for, and Excel will display the matching department automatically. Next, you will fill the table with sample data. Starting in cell A2 and going down to cell A5, enter the employee IDs E101, E102, E103, and E104. Take a moment to make sure these values are placed in the correct rows because index match depends on the position of each ID inside the range. Now, still working row by row, fill the department column. In cell B2, type sales. In cell B3, type marketing. In cell B4, type finance. In cell B5, type operations. This means each department corresponds directly to the employee ID in the same row. Then fill the salary column. In cell C2, type 55000. In cell C3, type 62000. In cell C4, type 71000. In cell C5, type 48000. Even though the formula you are about to create will return the department, adding the salary values helps confirm that your table structure is consistent. Once your data is in place, you are ready to test the lookup. Type the search target ID, E103, into cell D2. This is the ID Excel should find. It will match E103 in the employee ID column, then return the department from the department column. Before you enter the formula, click on cell E2. This is important because you need the formula to be placed exactly where the resulting department should appear. You are about to create a dynamic data lookup, meaning it will update automatically based on whatever you type in D2. Now that cell E2 is selected, type the formula exactly as follows. Index, B2, B5, match D2, A2, A50. Take care with the parentheses and commas because Excel relies on the exact structure. If you accidentally miss a character, Excel might display an error, so it is best to type slowly and check that the formula matches what you see. After entering the formula, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the result. At this point, you should see the resulting department appear in cell E2. To understand why this works, it helps to know what each part is doing in plain terms. Match D2, A2, A50 searches for the exact value in D2, which is E103, within the employee ID range A2 through A5. The last argument, 0, tells Excel to find an exact match rather than an approximate one. Then index B2, B5 types that matching position and returns the department from the department range. Since E103 is in the third row of your lookup range, index returns the third department in B2 through B5, which is the correct resulting department. If you want to verify the dynamic behavior, you can simply change the lookup ID in cell D2 and press Enter again, or let Excel recalculate. The value in E2 will update to reflect the department that corresponds to the new ID. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.